Hi everybody, Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach. Today's Friday, the 12th of October. Already halfway through another month. Well, it's been an interesting week for me. I was up 1.3% at one stage. I ended up with only a 0.3% gain for the week. That's using a 1/4% risk over all of my trades. So not as good as it was. I did have a few trades go back against me on Thursday into Friday my time, which slightly spoiled things. But again, that's trading. Overall, it was still a positive week. Elsewhere, I've had a lot of new clients join through a Forex Peace Army campaign that we've had running. Really good special promotion. So for those of you that have just joined, welcome along. Hope you're going to get some great information out of the course. For those of you that missed, well, the price is back to the normal price and it's still great value anyway. Onto the charts. Well, the euro this week has retraced slightly. To me, it looks like it's still heading upwards. I can see some good strength in it. Elsewhere, I can see the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. That to me looks like it's weakening. It's sort of coming down quite nicely. In fact, when we take the euro New Zealand dollar pair, I've actually got a longer term buy on that. I took a buy based on the weekly charts back last week, and that's retraced nicely back to my entry, and now that's starting to get into good profit, and it looks like it's heading up stronger as we head into next week. Elsewhere, I can see some weakness still in the Australian dollar. All around, especially against the US dollar, but all around the Australian dollar looks weak to me. Tip for the week. Interesting that I've had a lot of people approach me with this offer, and a question that I get asked quite often is how much can I make, what account size do I need, that type of information. And really it's very hard for me to answer that, because a lot of it does depend on you as a trader. But what I do like to say to people is start small. It doesn't matter whether you've been trading for a while or whether you're brand new to trading. Just start small. Start with a small account. When you're ready to go live, start with a small account and look to make a percentage return on that account. Forget about making dollars or pounds or euros, whatever it is your account is denominated in. Forget the money for now. Look to increase your account slowly with a percentage gain. Because if you have, let's say, a $10,000 account and you can make, let's say, for argument's sake, 50% return in the year, if you can do that on a $10,000 account, then why can't you do that on a $20,000 or a $50,000 or a $100,000 account? It's exactly the same trading. The only two things that change are your mind and your emotions. But that's why I say to people, start small. It's really important to do that. Don't go in with a big account, blow it, lose your confidence. So start really small, make a percentage return on that account. And think of it this way, like if you can make 5% in a year, which you should be easily able to do that, but let's say you make only 5%. Well, my bank doesn't even pay me that in a year now. So think about it that way. Maybe make 5% in a month, and then think, wow, well, my bank's not paying me that in a year. So look at percentages, forget the amount of money you make to start with when you begin with your trading. So that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed that lesson, and I look forward to talking to you this time next week.